Dear students and learners, a warm welcome to all of you to my lecture series on this YouTube channel English Mania. Feed the mind, feel the English. I am your digital teacher Professor Hina Kausar, and today's video lecture is about practice question paper set 2. Yes, paper set 2 because I have already uploaded practice paper set 1. I am providing you a link of my video lecture and a PDF link in the description box of this video. You can easily access to practice paper set 1 and set 2 in the description box of this video. Now let's see the question paper. So your question paper will be divided into 4 parts. Section 1 is for prose, section 2 is for poetry, section 3 is for writing skills, and section 4 is for the genre novel. Let's see question number 1A. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. There will be 6 activities. A1 is complete the web diagram. Question is exceptional qualities of the town hall park. So this passage is from the lesson 1.1 an astrologer's day. Second question is complex factual appearance of astrologer that helps to create an impression on clients. You have to write the appearance of astrologers. 4 appearance, 4 qualities, 4 characteristics of astrologer's appearance. A3 is interpretation. A vendor of fried groundnut would use different tactics for selling groundnuts. Describe why people would flock to him. And each question carries 2 marks. A4 is personal response type question. Question is write whether you believe astrology or not. Give your opinion in 4-5 sentences. A5 is grammar. There will be 2 questions based on grammar, and these questions will be from the given passage. Question number 1 is rewrite the sentence by using the word given in the bracket. Question is the sentence is a surging crowd was always moving up and down, and the word given here is movement. Second question is he sat under the boughs of a spreading tamarind tree. Frame a WH question so as to get an underlined part as an answer. A6 is for vocabulary. Write antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words of the following words by adding prefixes re, un, semi, wide. So you have to use prefixes, and 4 prefixes are given here. You have to use these prefixes and write down antonyms or opposite words of these 4 words: opened, square, spread, attracted. Question number 1B is for grammar. There will be 4 questions based on grammar. It will be not based on the given passage. It will be out of the text. A1 is do as directed. There will be 3 questions. Question number 1 is I spent my holiday dash some friends dash a wooden house. Fill the blanks by choosing correct preposition. Prepositions are already given: to, in, for, with. You have to choose 2 correct prepositions. Next question is Sangeeta would be here right now unless her train was late. Use if not. Third question is he opened the shops with third door and went inside. Make it a simple sentence. Question number 2 is a compulsory question based on spot the error. And the sentence is the shooter aimed his gun on the target. You have to spot the error and you have to correct the sentence. Question number 2A is based on an unseen passage. So this is an unseen passage and it will be there for 12 marks. And A1 is For global understanding, complete the tree diagram. Advantages of city compost. So you have to write 4 advantages of city compost. Second question is true or false. State whether the following statements are true or false, and you have to correct the false sentences too. There are 4 sentences. A3 is find out if city waste was composted, there would be 2. You have to write 2 reasons. A4 is for personal response. The question is give 2 examples of the best items that can be made by using waste materials. A5 is grammar based question, and these sentences are taken from the unseen passage. It provides an opportunity to clean up our cities. Identify the tense by choosing correct alternative. Simple past tense, simple present tense, perfect present tense, or perfect past tense, or past perfect tense. Next question is keeping cities clean is essential for keeping their residents healthy. Rewrite the sentence by using infinitive. You have to use the infinitive of the word keeping. A6 is for vocabulary. Find one word for the following from the passage. First question is derived from the living matter. Second is substance that provides nourishment. Third is removing unwanted plants. Fourth is permeable. Question number 2b is for summary writing. You have to write a summary of the given unseen passage, and you have to use the following points, and you need to give a suitable title to your summary. And this is a compulsory question for 3 marks in your board examination. You are supposed to write the summary of an unseen passage by giving a suitable title, and you have to include all the given points in your examination. Points here are cities and cleanliness, solid waste management, benefits of compost, agricultural productivity. Question number 2c is for mind mapping. It's a compulsory question for 3 marks in your board examination. So here the question is develop a mind mapping frame or design using your ideas or thoughts or concepts to illustrate or develop on the given topic. You may take help of the following points. The topic is benefits of games and sports, and points are fitness, stamina, sportsmanship, team spirit, unity, etc. So I am providing you a link of my video lecture on mind mapping. You can go and watch my video lecture. Section 2 is for poetry. Question number 3a. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. Any one poem out of 6 poems will come in your board examination. Here on question number 3a, and there will be total 5 questions or activities A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. First activity A1 is flowchart. You have to complete the flowchart by writing the names of colors used in the poem. Also write what they describe in the poem. This poem is 3.2 or 2.2 Indian weavers. A2 is complete the table. Time of the day, words, phrases, weaver's work. Early morning is already given. You have to fill late in the evening and cold night. A3 is for personal response. Name at least 4 tools used by the weavers. A4 is find from the poem the examples. How you have to find out the examples of alliteration, imagery, metaphor and simile. You have to write down the lines from the given extract. A5 is creativity. Compose 2 lines of your own on importance of clothes. You have to compose 2 lines of your own, and the topic is importance of clothes. Question number 3b is poetic appreciation. Any one poem will come for poetic appreciation, and question will be like write the appreciation of the given poem with the help of the following points, and points will be about the poem, poet or title, theme or central idea of the poem, language or poetic devices used in the poem, special features in the poem, message or moral of the poem. Now let's move on to the section 3rd, which is there for writing skills. This whole section carries 16 marks. There will be 4 questions in question number 4, like A, B, C, and D. And in each question, you have 3 choices. Let's see question number 4A. Read the following conversation between Diksha and Mr. Rao. Since Mr. Rao had to go for his morning walk, he left a message for Sumit. Draft that message in 50 words. So it is drafting a virtual message. It has 2 more choices. This is SOP, statement of purpose, which will help you to get admission in this institute. So the statement is given: your hobby is climbing the mountains. You are fit both physically and mentally. You have already climbed various mountains in India. Now your dream is to climb Mount Everest, world's highest mountain. You wish to join Himalaya Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling, to get proper training, and you have to make a statement of purpose. And it has the last option, group discussion. An inter-school state level basketball final match is going on. Your team seems to lose the match. You are the captain of the team and discussing with your teammates in the short break about the strategy. This is the do or die situation for the team. You have to write the views and suggestions of the players in the form of dialogue. Now let's see question number 4B. First one is, this summer you plan to go to Manali with your family. You have to book a hotel room for 5 days stay in Manali. Write an email, so this is email writing question, to the manager of a hotel to book a room. Provide all the necessary details like room type, ID proofs, address, credit card details, etc. It has 2 more choices. So second was, imagine you have visited the jungle of Nagarhole. Write a report, this is for report writing, to be published in your college magazine in a local newspaper. And the last option is, imagine you have to interview an old woman who lives in an old age home. Write a set of 8 to 10 questions for the interview. You may take the help of the following points: her family, reasons for being here, feelings, expectations, and her advice. So question number 4B has 3 choices. First one is email writing, second is report writing, and last one is interview question. Question number 4C is, your junior college is celebrating National Science Day next week. On this occasion, you have to deliver a speech on the topic Science and Superstitions. Prepare a short speech in about 100 words. You may use the following points: importance of the day, scientific revolutions, people follow superstitions, scope of superstition, and solution. So this is for speech writing and topic is science and superstitions. It has 2 more choices. First one is art of comparing and the topic is Teachers Day program. And points are program introduction and background, lighting the lamp, welcome song, guest introduction and felicitation, speeches, vote of thanks. And the last choice in question number 4C is expansion of ideas. Actions speak louder than words. And second is speech is silver and silence is gold. So any one you have to do. Any one. Question number 4D is for a movie review. It has 2 more options: blog writing and appeal writing. So movie review is, Shakuntala Devi is a film about the renowned mathematician. I am sure you must have watched the movie. The movie stands as a balanced act projecting the various aspects of Shakuntala Devi's life and her battles between her ambition and relationship. So you have to write a movie review of this particular film Shakuntala Devi in about 100 to 150 words with the help of the following points. Points are storyline, producer, director, music director, casting, setting, conflict, message. Blog writing, topic is stay home, stay safe. Points will be given in your examination. And appeal topic is handloom products in our daily life. Points are: prepare an attractive slogan, make persuasive appeal, mention the importance, and add your own ideas. Now let's see the last question of our question paper, section 4, for literary genre novel. So in this particular section, section 4, you will not get any passage. There will be no passage given to you. Let's see question number 5a. Question number 5a is always from 4.1 history of novel. Question number 5b is always there from the lesson 4.2 to serve with love. Question number 5c is always there from the lesson 4.3 around the world in 80 days. And the last question, question number 5d, will be there from the lesson 4.4 the sign of 4. Always remember that question number 5a is like MCQs, match the columns, complete the followings, arrange the jumble sentences and all. Question number 5b, c and d is descriptive type of questions. Let's see question number 5a, A1, match the columns. The Heart of Darkness, Rajmohan's Wife, Tale of Genji, The Pilgrim's Progress. You have to match the column. A2 is complete the following statements. There are several aspects of the setting. It includes what? You have to complete the sentence. The word epistolary derives from the Latin word dash. The autobiographical novel is the novel based on dash. The phrase stream of consciousness is coined by dash. Question number 5b is answer in about 50 words to the questions given below. As you can see on your screen, there will be no passage for section 4. First question is describe in brief the purpose of organizing the half-yearly report program of Students' Council, and each question carries 2 marks. Question number B2 is identify the event that took place in the extract or in the novel To Serve with Love. Give reasons to support your answer. Question number 5c is answer in about 50 words to the question. One is Phileas Fogg is as cool as a cucumber, whereas Passepartout is as crazy as a loon. Explain by citing references from the novel Around the World in 80 Days. Second question is write 2-3 sentences on the themes of time and morality from the novel Around the World in 80 Days. Question number 5d is answer in about 50 words. First question is compare the qualities of Dr. Watson with the qualities of Sherlock Holmes. And last question is narrate in brief the importance of places London and Agra from the novel Sign of 4. So thank you so much for watching this video. You can download this question paper set from the link given in the description box of this video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now. And if you have any question regarding this particular video lecture and this particular paper set, you can ask me in the comment box of this video. Thank you so much.